In this video, you'll learn how to use screencastomatic to create a screencast to provide your peers with feedback. So I am going to search for screencastomatic, and here we have it here. Now screencastomatic is a free website, and to begin recording you don't even need to create an account. So I'll just click on Start Recording. To record, I'm going to use the latest version of the screencast recording, and I'll click Record Screencast. Now it takes a minute for it to load. I have to say yes, launch the application. And when you're doing this for the first time, it will probably have you download Java or update your Java. Now that Screencast-O-Matic has launched, I can see that there's a frame around the edge. There's a box, and anything within this dotted frame will be recorded. Now I can make that frame smaller. I can click right here next to size, and I can choose a smaller box, so if you only want to record a portion of your screen, you can do that. But I think it's easier just to select the active window, and it frames your active window. You have choices for what it's going to record. You can record your screen. You could record your webcam, just your webcam if you'd like, or you could record both. So if you click on both, you get the little webcam picture in the bottom as well as the screen. But for now, I just want the screen. So I'll click on Screen. And then I want to go to the website that I'm going to be reviewing. I'll click X right here, but Screencast-O-Matic is still running. And I know that because in the bottom I can see this little record button. So whenever I'm ready, I just click on record. I get a nifty little countdown. So now it's recording everything I say and everything that's happening on my screen. So I'll start providing my peer feedback by going through what I like about the website, and then if I click on a different page as I'm providing my feedback, then it's recording all of this. And you can see at the bottom that it's keeping track of how long my recording is. For the free version of Screencast-O-Matic, you're limited to 15 minutes, which is plenty of time for this assignment. So when you're done with your recording, click on the pause button, and you could be done here, or if you decide you do want to pause and then pick it back up again, you can click record again and you can begin recording. But for now, I'm going to click done. And it gives me a little preview. If I click the play button, and it plays back what I just recorded. So you have options for what to do with this file of the recording. You can save it as a video file if you'd like on your computer. You can upload it to Screencast-O-Matic, or you can upload it to YouTube. I think it's easier to just upload to Screencast-O-Matic, so I'll click on that. And you have some choices here. It has my email because I had logged in. A title, if I click here, I can change the title to the name of the person I'm giving the feedback to. Description, if you want, you could add more of a description in. Now I'm going to choose Publish. I had logged into this beforehand, so if you haven't logged in yet, when you go to Publish, it will ask you to either create an account or to log into your account. The longer your screencast is, the longer it takes for it to upload to Screencast-O-Matic. Now when it's done, I can copy the link, and what it's done is it's copied that link to my clipboard. So when I click done, now I can go into our course, and I will go to the post feedback section, click on respond, type in the subject the person's name, and then provide the link to the screencast. Now it's nice if you can actually make this a live link. What that means is if I click and drag to highlight that, I'm going to click on the link icon, the web address, I'll paste in the link, and for the text to display, I'll type in what I want it to appear as. I will choose Add Link, and now I can preview this. So this is what people will see, and I can test it out by clicking on the link. And I see that it does, in fact, pull up my feedback. Once I know that that's what I want, I can click Post Response, and it will appear. That's how you will provide your feedback using screencastomatic.